if I were to give a masterclass on how to scale recipes, I wouldn't just scale one. I would scale 5, which I'm doing in this video. It starts with the perfect label that has the amount and the ingredient, the name of the recipe, and the date. These go onto lids, which now I can use to keep organized. I can stack up all the butters, stack up all the AP flours or the pastry flours. I'm estimating out the eggs, doing all of the butters. And then I have a mini scale because anything that's under 20 grams like salt, vanilla extract, baking powder, etc., I'm going to do last. Now, this is a checks and balances kind of system, and that means that if I'm scaling on a Monday and I find out that one of my ingredients is out or I don't have enough, I can now scale everything out, keep the colds in the refrigerator, and come back to it later after I've had time to go to the store. So it informs me and it sets my production schedule. Your skills of estimation grow very strong when you are visually doing this process because a large deli cup holds around 500 grams of any ingredient, but occasionally something really fluffy won't fit. So you're always looking at the amount of your ingredients and how they compare to the others in the recipe and thinking about, is it right? And thinking visually can help you do that. I put them on clean trays and I label them because they're going to be sitting there for a couple days. Each tray is a complete sentence. I don't have to question what's going on because it's all right there and I can compare it to my recipe at any time and verify whether or not I have the proper ingredients. And if I forgot something, I'll look in the cooler, I'll look around, but I have checked and double checked this recipe now 4 different times. Every single thing about this process is meant and designed to make it easier for you to bake well, accurately, and with fewer problems. You'll see that I had a recipe that had 2 of the same ingredients that were the same weight, and I got confused. So I just set it aside. I never put anything away. I trust my labels. I verified and later found out that I did need them. But this system works. It's easier and more efficient.